Okay, so as you see, I finished this little section up, and I actually did the knotless. Gotta make sure pull your knot. Make sure you pull your hair. Make sure your hair is secure and knotted properly, so it will not pull out. So as I was saying, I was trying to make it look natural, and see, I have all this huge ass space. See, that's what I want to fill in. So this is where I put in the hair. I actually go above the braid. Take my beater hook, move that out the way. Take my banana clips here. Alright, so I'm probably going to see how this look with the knotless one, or I'm going to do it the other way. So I'm going to do it both ways. Alright, so I'm going to pull this through. Okay. That has gone through. So I'm going to twist and pull one of these strands in, pull it. Because what I want to do is I want to fill it in. Be this difficult. Alright, so I pulled it in. So I'm just going to do it the regular way without doing the knotless one. And listen, when you do this, it's going to be up to you as far as which version. Okay, this got tangled up. Oh. That's the only one thing this gets frustrating with this beater hook, this beater braid or whatever, this beater thing. Because it gets tangled somehow or another. So I'll try that again. Alright, so I'm going to put the hair in the loop. Grab it, and this time it's going to pull both strands through. Alright, so it's kind of filling it in, see? And that's what I wanted to do. If I decide, you know, to wear my hair pent up like this, plus I'll cut it and shape it. I just know how to shape it up. I'm sorry. I just, you know, I know how I want it and how it's supposed to lay. Alright, so as you see, it's not as spacey. So I'm going to do one more piece of hair. Let's see, where's my hook? Pull it through. So this is where it gets aggravating with using this, because other hair just gets stranded. Somehow now it's looping. I don't know. When it gets like this, then I just take the clip it, and then take the hair out. Then I pull the hair back, start the process over. I'm going to pull both strands through versus the knotless way. So hopefully, okay. Sometimes it's a struggle. So you just want to make sure that it's secure. So as you see, it is getting full, and I'm going to try to do probably something right there. And I'm looking in this mirror. I have a mirror facing me right here, so I'm looking in my mirror so I can see what I'm doing here. As I get closer to the front of the hair, I want my hair to come as far. I just want it to look very, very natural. Okay, so I am going to hold this. Okay. Alright, so I'm just going to pull both strands and pull it. And I didn't make sure that was even, but as you see, it has filled it in somewhat. So I've got another section here that I'm gonna pull the hook through. I'm probably going to do the knotless one. There we go. So I'm going to do the knotless one by pulling in one strand versus two. And I'm going to pull it. And now that fills it in. So I'm going to clip it. Here, I can add it in. Alright, so as you see, I done filled it in. Now it depends on how I wear this hair. Look like I can do one more section up in here. I don't know, I'll play with it. So, if I decide to wear my hair up like this and leave the other down, it blends in. It's not looking all too spacey. Alright, so this is hanging. Hang. Okay. Alright. So as you see now, I've filled this in as much as I can here. Like look like I can get away with one more section or try to put like some hair here. So I'm going to do that, and then I'll get back. As I see here, it's out of order. As you see, this is not hanging right either. So once I've finished, I'm just going to shape it up like I want it, and then I'm going to show you the finished product. I got this section and this section to do. So later.